So the video that you just watched is of the Bluegreen one-bedroom standard that has a kitchenette. You can get more information about it if you visit the bluegreenvacations.com website. This is the room layout. It's 480 square feet. If you decide to stay at this property, Bluegreen is located off of Tropicana Avenue. It's not too far from the strip, not recommended to walk. The hotel does offer a free shuttle. It is walkable if you are up for it. I've done it before, but they do offer a free shuttle that drops you off near the strip at Planet Hollywood, and you can just walk outside and be right in front of Bellagio. So this is where Blue Green is. This is Tropicana. This is the Las Vegas Boulevard with Aria, Cosmo, Bellagio, and Planet Hollywood across the street. So you're not too far, but I would definitely utilize the shuttle or get a car. Blue Green does offer free parking. So if you're going to visit this property, those are the two options that I would consider. For the one bedroom standard here, this room can be booked on Choice Hotels if you're not a Blue Green owner. And the good thing about Choice Hotels is their reward nights are static, the way that they allow you to book your points. So with Choice Hotels, it doesn't matter which room is available. All rooms that are available in a hotel cost the same number of points. So if you are using points and you're not paying cash, obviously I'd recommend trying to book a two-bedroom if it's available. But if you're using points and you're booking, the one you would want to book, or if you're paying cash, the one you would want to book for that room is the one-bedroom queen sofa bed with the kitchenette. If you remember from the video, this wasn't a full kitchen. That's what they consider a kitchenette. This is a sample of just 2 nights on a weeknight. The total would come to $587 if you're booking through Choice Hotels. If you're a Blue Green owner and you decide to stay at Club 36, this shows up on your points chart as the one bedroom standard. To book this room for 1 week during the ultra red season would cost 11,000 points. To book during white season would cost 6,000 points, and you can look at the points charts for everything in between. If you're not a Blue Green owner and you are interested in taking Blue Green vacations or getting exposed to timeshares without making a full commitment, every timeshare company has a deals page on their site. And so for Blue Green, that website is bluegreenvacations.com/deals. And this is the deal for Las Vegas. They offer a 3-night stay in the hotel for $249, but they give you a $100 gift card back if you attend the timeshare tour. So to get 3 nights for a net cost of $149, if we go back and look at what 2 nights cost here at Choice Hotel, it was $587. So it's always better if you can give up one day of your vacation for a couple hours to do the tour, if you're willing to save money in that way. Obviously, if you do the tour, definitely say no. Do not buy from the developer. Buy the timeshare resale, buy from another owner, or just... Thank you for watching. Check out gatesonthego.com for more room tours and information.